Come on, man.
Don't try and get up.
All right.
They on the way?
Get on my neck.
Now that
That's it. Relax.
That the president receives the best advice and the best options and the best policy counsel as he makes critical decisions that affect us that have happened.